So we're given a graph over here on the right, and it wants us to answer a couple questions. So A says find the equation, right? So to find the equation of a line, if it's written in slope-intercept form, we need the y-intercept, right? The y-intercept. And we need the slope, right? Slope. And we can get both those from the graph, right? So the y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So it's at 1. So we know that b equals 1. So now let's find the slope, right? I'm going to pick a point, a nice point that goes through the grid. So there's a nice point that goes through the grid. There's another point that goes right through the grid. And I'll make my slope triangle, right? Make my slope triangle. So it goes down to and over 1, right? It goes down to over 1. So the slope goes down to and over 1. So the slope is -2. So now I know the b is 1 and the m is -2. So I could write the equation as y equals mx, -2x, plus b plus 1. And there's the equation of the line. For b, it says, what are the x and y intercepts? Well, the y-intercept, we already know, right? It's right here. It's 1, right? The y-intercept is 1. The x-intercept, if we have the equation of the line, which we do, y equals 2x, y equals -2x plus 1, right? If we have the equation and we want to find the x-intercept, we could substitute a 0 in for y and solve, right? So let's do that. So I'll subtract 1 from both sides. I get -1 equals -2x. I'll divide by -2 and come up here, right? And I get -1 divided by -2 is 1/2 equals x. So x-intercept is 1/2. So we've found the x-intercept and the y-intercept.